can see, I believe you must have, gone through the facts, at least facts of this particular case. And now I am going to show you the submission that is made by Baijendi Silva. She is your classmate, and I will tell you what exactly was the corrections, okay, which I want to make in this particular thing. Okay, so right now, yes, yes, you can see over here. See, with respect to the arbitration clause, that is well and good. She did it, very well, because arbitration clause is something which can be the part of a main contract, or sometimes it can be as a specific agreement. So here, arbitration clause drafting part, which she has done it nicely. So it is written, any controversy or claim arising out of or relating to this contract or the breach thereof shall be settled by arbitration administered by Indian Council of Arbitration or the International Center for Alternative Dispute Resolution, New Delhi, So India, under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. So the number of arbitrators shall be one, but could extend it till three. Okay, so that is written. So the seat of arbitration shall be in India, and the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, that is the law, shall apply. So the judgment on the award rendered by the arbitrators may be entered in any Indian court having jurisdiction thereof. Okay, so with respect to this arbitration clause, that is perfectly fine. Okay, now the problem is with respect to this part B, that is regarding the arbitration agreement. Okay, so here you can see the parties concerned. So simply it is written like parties concerned. Actually, we have in fact the two methods where it can be written like this also. Okay, it can be written like this also, and it can be written in other way also. In other way, in the sense, for example, just like like we draft a civil suit, just like we draft a civil suit, like a money suit, etc. So normally what we will do between, and first we will make the name and address of party A, and so between, then we will write the name and address of party A, and next we will write and, then as the next sentence, name and address of the party B. You got it? But like here, can also be this can also be like an accepted way, but at the same time, as far as possible, you try to like write in the arbitration agreement like that, because that is a normally accepted method. And before that, the only thing like she missed out, or she failed to mention the date, because when we make an arbitration agreement, like first of all, in the first case, we have to make this agreement is made on, then you have to mention the date. Okay, so here she she forgot to mention the date, and hence the date must also be included. So you can write this agreement is made on, then you have to mention the date. Then as the next sentence, you can write maybe all the capital, all the bold letters you can write between, and the next line you may start with the name and address of the party A, or within bracket you can write a claimant. So like I have told you, one of the methods in which you can mention the name of the party, like party A, say for instance claimant and its all predecessors, successors, and or assigns, within bracket including without a limitation any administrator, receiver, trustee, liquidator, or provisional or otherwise, or equivalent appointees if relevant under insolvency law. So this is one of the the standard form, or what we can say, it is something like a template. Okay, so it is something like a template. Okay, so what I am trying to say, you have to adopt this particular method. You have to adopt this particular method. Otherwise, it would be incomplete. You got it? You got it? Okay. So she actually forgot to mention the date, and then parties concerned, she has to mention like between first party, including his legal heirs, successors, predecessors, etc. So that is available in any standard template or standard form. And then in the next line, she has to mention the second party also. Okay. And then if you look at the submission which she has made, it is written number of arbitrators. Okay. So what shall we do? Can you tell me what she missed out over here? Can you tell me whether she has missed something over here? Can anyone tell me? Let me check whether you have any idea regarding this. Whether she has missed out something over here. Silent. Silent, what is your idea whether she had missed out something?
So still looking at it, sir.
Sorry?
So I'm still looking at it to find out like if she has missed anything.
Yeah. I don't know if she will be happy because I'm taking this publicly, and all the appreciation should go to her because she was the only one who spent certain time and send it. Okay, so like this is good, very good. Otherwise, she missed one or two important aspects. Otherwise, it is perfect. So according to you, there is something missing after the parties. Anyone, not only Shailendra, anyone can answer. Swati, Vineet, Siddharth, Shubham. Just look at it because today at 12 o'clock you are also supposed to do it. See, let me ask you something. Actually, I have a doubt. I am not a, technically, I'm not a, I don't have some technique. So I am
Sir, is
asking
it the
you.
authority to decide the arbitrators?
No. Authority means appointment of arbitrators means it is authority.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, let me ask you one thing before 12 o'clock because such a sharp 12 o'clock I need to upload it. See, how to upload it? Suppose stream classwork people grades. Actually, three things are there. So should I upload it in the classwork like create and all? Is it like that? You have any idea? I think it is like that. Okay. Anyway, at a sharp 12 o'clock, I will upload it and you just check and see whether it is properly uploaded or not, whether you are able to see it. Okay. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Now tell me, what is she missing? Some most important part which she missed here. No idea? Okay, I'm telling you now. Where is the facts? Where is the facts? Whether facts is mentioned over here? Whether facts is mentioned over here?
No, sir.
Actually, she forgot to mention the facts. Okay. So after date, it must be the parties like between and so between party A and party B. So party, when you write it, actually there is a standard templates which you can take it from anywhere. Like the first party is the claimant. That includes his predecessors, successors, including without any limitation administrator, receiver, trustees, liquidator, etc., or equivalent appointees if relevant under insolvency law, and then name and address of the party B, who is within bracket maybe respondent, and all its representatives, successors, and or assigns, including without limitation administrator, receiver. So this is a standard method. And within bracket, you can write that collectively the parties and each a party. Okay, within bracket, you can write that. And next, you have to start in the next sentence, whereas. Whereas should also be in block capital letters. And then, whereas in the next sentence, you have to state brief facts of the dispute, which she actually, forgot to mention. Okay. So what I'm trying to say in a very, like nutshell, maybe in some 3-4 sentences in your own language, you have to convert the facts and you have to make it. You got it? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, actually, yeah. Next is, like you can write, like in the next sentence, the parties wish to resolve the dispute by arbitration. Okay, so it's a statement which is, like very important. And then as the next sentence, you may write, it is agreed as follows. So in fact, she, like, though she, did it well, like, that is the format. And this is like she included everything except date and the parties specifically, and then she failed to give the facts in nutshell also. In fact, I really wanted to give her an output, but I will tell her that anyway if she is not attending the class today. And then like it is agreed as follows. Okay, so maybe in that you can write procedural rules on the arbitration. What exactly is the rule, whether it is Singapore Institute of Arbitration Center or AAA, American Arbitration Association, etc., etc. So the arbitration will be conducted in accordance with within brackets state which rules. For example, the Singapore International Arbitration Center rules for the time being in force, save in for us. Such rules are varied by the terms of this agreement. So first of all, procedural for rules of arbitration, that should be the subtitle, and then you can give the numeric number 1. Then the arbitration will be conducted in accordance with the state, these rules, etc. And the second is the subheading is governing law of the arbitration. Then after the subheading, then you can put the numeric 2, that is the governing law of arbitration will be. Then you can state which is the governing law. For example, whether it is like Indian law or the Singapore International Arbitration Act, etc., etc., as amended from time to time. Okay, so the next can be the appointment of the tribunal. The appointment of the tribunal. So appointment of the tribunal will be the subheading, and then next you have to give the numeric number, that is 3. Okay, so there you can write the tribunal shall comprise how many numbers which you wish. Okay, here actually, yes, she has mentioned it shall be 1. However, in some cases it can be extended to 3, but it is always advisable that you have to specify the number. Okay, instead of giving any like confusion, etc., like you try to specify the number. Okay, so it is like that. So 3, and next is like like 4. Like you can write or you can state in the event of death or resignation of any of the arbitrator, because it is also possible. So otherwise, if in case during the pendency of the proceeding, what happens if one of the arbitrators resigns or he happens to die, then it is always desirable or it is always advisable to insert such a like thing, like in the event of death or resignation of any arbitrator during the course of the proceedings, unless the parties agree otherwise, a replacement arbitrator shall be appointed by whom? So maybe like a state the name of the appointing authority. For example, if in case of an international arbitration, you can write, if it is on the basis of the Singapore International Arbitration Center, you can write in case of the death or retirement, etc., of any arbitrator, and a replacement arbitrator shall be appointed by the the chairman of the Singapore International Arbitration Center, etc., etc. Okay, so like you have to make an alternative arrangements with respect to that also. Okay, so that is also very important. Let me check then what is the change which I would like to suggest here. Yes, scope of the dispute covered, that is perfectly fine. You can include that. Yes, she has mentioned the seat of arbitration. Yes, she has mentioned the seat of arbitration. Yes. Okay. So the seat of arbitration. Yes. What exactly is the seat of arbitration? Yes, you have to mention the name of the country. Definitely, if it is in an international arbitration. Okay, so the parties have decided to have an arbitration conducted at Delhi International Arbitration Center, plot numbers. Yeah, perfectly written. Okay, she has written it perfectly. So the parties shall write the name of the city as the place of the arbitration in this section if they wish. Okay, the arbitration council shall determine the place of arbitration if there is no such determination. Yeah, that is also perfectly fine. That is, done by her very nicely. That is seat of arbitration. Yeah, of course. What about the language? Confidential. Yeah, again, one of the most important part which was missed out, that is regarding the language. Okay. So, in fact, like I have told you repeatedly, see, this is 12 o'clock. Okay, let me upload it. Can you wait for 1 or 2 minutes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Can you just check whether it is visible? Can you just check in the assignments, like a classwork? There is a. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please check whether it is available in the classwork for final year. Can you please check it?
It doesn't seem to be there, sir, as of now.
Okay, let me check one more time. Let me check one more time, please. Now you please see it. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Can you see it?
So I can't. I can still not see it. Maybe some other
No.
person can also
No,
check
sir.
and verify.
No,
No,
sir.
no. Okay, okay. So please let me check it. Please, maybe network or something. Let me check it. Please hold on for a minute. Please hold on for a minute.